Some heroes do not wear capes. They wake up early every day.
Give love, comfort, and strength. This is the story of a mother's endless love.
Nehan, it is time for school.
Mama.
Don't cry, my little prince.
Mama.
Welcome to our happy home. Breakfast is ready, boys. I work hard for my beautiful family.
Thank you, Mom.
Eat healthy food at school.
Bye, Mom. See you later.
Oh no! A storm is coming!
Orhan.
Come here, both of you.
Mama happy. I feel safe now.
Everything will be okay.
The storm is gone.
I am home. You are the best mother in the world.
Mom, this is for you.
Draw. Draw.
I made it for you.
Thank you, my sweet boys.
Mama.
A mother's love is bigger than the sky.
Family is love.